guys, Trudy here with Panhandle Power Wash Supply, and I know I've talked a little bit about this before, but I am here to talk about reusable couplers. Now, a lot of guys online always mention, say, hey, my hose blew, where do I get it fixed, what do I do? And a lot of guys don't have an area or a store or anything that can crimp their hose for them. So we have these reusable couplers, show them right here. And we have them in 1-wire, 2-wire, in fixed and swivel, and we also have them in the 1/2 inch. So we have the 1/2 inch, the 2-wire, 2-wire swivel. Got the 1-wire right here because I'm going to demonstrate. And then I have a 1-wire swivel. So we have all different sizes and the different types. So what you do when you're on a job, you're going to need a grinder or something to be able to cut your hose so it's flat. And this one's just a scrap piece I have, so it's not very flat, but it'll give you a good idea of what to do. So what you do is you take this part and you screw it and push it down on your hose as hard as you can. I'm not going to do it because I want to be able to repackage this. But you screw that down there. Then you take this hose barb that's going to go inside the hose. So you're going to screw that down all the way to the bottom, which I'm not going to do because once again I'm going to reuse this or put it back in its packaging. So you need to screw this. A vise would be great to have, and also some pliers or something to help, vice grips to have that. So anyway, you're going to screw that all the way down. It's going to clamp this onto the hose, and then you'll end up with your male pipe thread again. So your hose is fixed on the job. It does last, and the good thing is when you're done, if you want to throw away your hose, it is reusable. So you can take it off like this, take it off your old hose like that, throw your old hose away, put this in your toolbox until you need it again, and you'll be all ready to go. So this is called a reusable coupler. They are great to have on the job site, and once again we have them in 1-wire fixed, 1-wire swivel, 2-wire fixed and swivel, and then the 1/2 inch hose also. So this is a great little tool to have on your rig at all times in case you have a blowout and you cannot leave to go get your hose crimped. So a battery operated grinder works great. Anything that can cut through the wires. So I don't know if you can see here, but see that metal wire in there. So this is a 1-wire. A 2-wire is going to have that round twice. So you've got the 1-wire. And this is the Fierce Jet, and that's why you can see it lasts quite a while because you've got all that wire in there. You can't even push it, squeeze it. But these are great for on-the-job fixes, and they do last. It's not like it's going to last a day or two. It's going to last with the length of your hose. So you can put it on there, and it'll just go back to work, guys, and you won't lose any time, and you'll have a hose up and running. So that's all I wanted to show you. You guys stay humble and hustle hard and have a great day.